This is Helpscreen and this is how to fix a Spectrum app not working. So this is an Apple and Android device tutorial, so follow along. So guys, I'm gonna provide you three solutions. So for the first solution is just go to your Google Play Store and just search for Spectrum. And then from here guys, when the application have an update, you'll be able to see it over here. And for the first solution, just make sure you are running the latest version of the app. So guys, for the second solution, is to just go to the settings. And then on the settings, just tap on the apps. And then from here, just find Spectrum. And when you find it, just tap on it. And then tap on storage. And then from here, guys, just make sure to clear cache and also clear data. And then after that, you should be able to have a working Spectrum application. And for the third solution, guys, if this doesn't work, all you have to do is reinstall the application on your device. So first, uninstall the application on your device. And then once it is uninstalled, you can just go ahead and go back to the Google Play Store and install it back again on your phone. And then from there, you should be able to fix your Spectrum application. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See ya!